I'm Alex Wolf, and this is the cheapest voice-activated lighting controller you can possibly make. Let me show you how it works. When it's on, tell it to change colors with a simple word. Go. If you want it to turn off, all it requires is another word. Stop. To turn it back on, use the first word. Go. Let's change colors again. Go.
The best part about this project is that it's so cheap. To make this project work, you only need a few parts. The first of these is a 5-volt power supply that can output at least a few amps. These lights here draw quite a bit of power, so you need something that can power them properly. The star of the show here is the Raspberry Pi Pico. This is executing all of the signal processing and machine learning code in real time, multiple times a second, to give you immediate response to your voice. The last thing you need is this microphone module here. I'm using a module from Adafruit that has automatic gain control. This is especially important because as I move away from the microphone, you still need the device to work properly. And that's literally it. The actual processing and hardware can cost less than $10 depending on where you source your parts from.
It works if you're right next to the microphone. Go. Or super far away from the microphone. Go.
The controller is also pretty responsive. Let me show you what I mean. Stop. Start. Stop. Start. See? Not bad. So go ahead, enjoy.